Hello everybody, here I am and I'm still in the same position I was when I turned off the the camera, and I'm trying to find a top part for this doll's body. It's a doll body, and it seems to be something that I'm having trouble with here today. And what I did with the other things was just put them down, didn't I? Just to, so I would say to myself, well, look, come back a little later and look. Body bit. Just get myself a body bit. Come on. Must be something in here. There's legs and tops and people and things. There's got to be a body bit that I don't have to fiddle with and wreck. Sonya, you must have something in here. What's this bit? This might work. Isn't it pretty? Oh, well, there's come out of a book that I bought somewhere. Little clothes on a line. So I don't need all that. I'll just cut it like that though. I'm really liking the colours and things that I've got here. Now, move over you peoples. This is the one I'm going to use. Right. I think it's not big enough. Really, Sonya? Isn't it? It's your little tiny body, although it fits in the size of that. And a tiny, great big head, and that's not right either. Oh, leave it like it is. Might be the best idea, and then you can just colour it in or something. How about that? Well, why don't we just do that, eh? Put that on there. We'll leave it the colour that it is if it's not going to upset me. I need to put that on that way. Put it all back to front. She needs to have her wings behind her, Sonya, not in front of her. This part here goes in the front. This bit here goes in the front like that. Right, that's the top. Her top. And this bit here goes in the back like that. And I don't know about these shoulders. I might have to cut them off till I find something. Oh, no, don't. Leave it. Because then you can stick something over the top of it and make it look like she's got arms. Get some arms. I did have arms. I got a packet of them somewhere. Because everything was armless, so I had to go and get some arms. Sorry about that. That's just what happened. I had to go and get some arms cut out and that. So that's just not too bad at all, does it? I do like that. I do like that. I do like that one. Mind you, I don't know what I'm going to do with them when I get them to the book, but I'll find something. There will be tuck spots, there will be writing spaces, there'll be something on all of them. I've got a bit of, this is a hair now, so I suppose I'm going to fix that. I'll fix the hair. This is really cool. I do like this baby one. I'll be putting that in there shortly. Now, I need to get some arms for this person, don't I? She definitely needs arms. I might have a mouthful of water. If I stay calm and don't panic while I'm looking for arms, I should find some, shouldn't I? I had a lot of them that I printed onto a piece of paper, and I haven't cut them out because they were really close together. So, I need to find that, don't I? Somewhere. Don't know where it is. Just nobody panic, I'll be right there. Look at this one. I really want to put this in here. Isn't she beautiful? Gorgeous. Different. Do like the different things. Oh, and I've seen these here. I'll put it over there anyway. You don't want to see that anyhow. That's not a one that I'm going to use. What else have I got in here? I just get a piece of paper, fold it in half, cut out things and put them in. There's got to be arms in this book, this paper thing, surely. Cinderella I like. These outfits are good for dolls. You can find them on the internet, in books, all sorts of books we've got to look through. You can't just get them in, oh, here we go. I've got those ones on this lady here. I can use that, can't I? Nobody's going to worry about that. I can use that. Stick to this thing. Don't stick to this. I can use these arms. So this is one of these paper doll. She's been... Oh, she's got a body too there. I could have used that. But anyway. So these you can download off the internet. So you can make articulated dolls. And I've not got an articulated one here at the moment. I'll make one another day. I'm trying to find one, or make myself one. I'll have to come up with an idea. Oh well, sure won't be original. I'll have a go. You never know with me, but nobody could possibly come up with as strange ideas I do. Vintage treasure, and it says it was altered by somebody, so it's printable. Dolls based on a vintage doll. Cut this arm out. I haven't gone to sleep, have you? But do I want it like that? Why not? It'll be fine, won't it? Got to fix the head, poor thing. She looks like she's got a really buff head there. Because it's got no hair. And the size of her body. But that don't matter. It's a paper doll. It's an art doll thingy I'm making. For the art doll, paper doll book journaling thing I'm doing. It's fun. That's all we need is fun. Okay. Come on. You can really do anything with paper, can't you? Oh, you can with fabric too, but, you know, there's so many different things out there. See, there's a bit of white on there, but I'm not going to worry about that because later I might go and colour it in, I think. I don't know. If I put them on like this, other way, she could be dancing, I suppose, or butterflying or whatever. I don't know about that poor head on the thing. Poor girl. What about this one? This might look better. Yes, because I don't know how I'm going to salvage this piece's hair. Actually, I'm going to have to cut her neck off too because I haven't got a neck for that one. Just take your face off. This is scary, isn't it? Cutting up pieces of paper. Make things. It's fun though, really, isn't it? This must have come out of one of those fairy tale books. It did come out of one of my fairy tale books. She looks a bit funny in them teeth. But nobody panic, it'll be okay. I'm sure it will. Okay. Too wide. This neck's too wide for her yet. Oops. Don't know what I'm cutting. I can't see what I'm doing. I got this butterfly out of this really good insect book. There's so many different things that you can get stuff from, you know, like you wouldn't think that you could go and buy a book and it'd have insects in it, would you? Like butterflies, I mean, you know, you think to yourself, I don't know what I'll buy to try and get that because you need a butterfly book, but you don't. I don't know what I'm doing with this. It seems to be a bit... Put that down under there, maybe. Yeah, she's got an extremely fat neck like mine. Okay, cut it down further. Sonia, watch what you're doing now, because I've already cut that bit. Okay, now put that on there. No, I'm going to have to take this off. I really am. It's a good thing my glue takes a little while to dry. So I've got to get that out of there. And the poor thing hasn't got no neck, but you know what? It doesn't matter. She looks pretty good anyway. I'm happy with it now. Oh, crikey. Her head's falling off. Do I want her up there above that? Or down in under there? No, the butterfly's wings have got to go on the back of her. Keep getting stuck to everything here. Oh dear, we're going to undo this. We are going to undo this part. Not happy at all with that bit. Things, if things are not going right, you've got to go away from them or change them or something. Probably unlikely to get up and go away, which is not a good thing, because you need to my way of thinking, you need to get on with things. You don't let them get the better of you. And if they do, and I go away, I'll be back after. I won't be gone for very long, I can tell you that. Okay, so I need a bit of a hippie butterfly. Nobody said you couldn't have one. But there's a sort of hippie clothes, isn't it? Hippie doll things. I do cut up some paper by the geez, I do. I do love it though. And the best thing to buy up the thing on the weekend is paper books. Paper and books. Although I do get extravagant sometimes and go and chuck some out, which is, you know, upsets me a bit. Go and throw them out. Okay, so now she's minus a neck, but if I get a piece of paper and put behind her head, you know, that you can't see it, so I can fasten her head to the body without it being too... a lot of these kids' books have got really good pictures in them. The only thing is, some of them are really, like, they're scared. Look at the kids, because a lot of these stories in these fairy tales are scary. A lot of them are scary, they are. I'm going to leave that neck there. I'm going to colour it in. She's got to have a little something. Look, that doesn't look too bad, does it? See, she's got a tiny little neck. And that worked. So far so good. And I can just shade it with a bit of pencil in a minute. I do have a lot of those about. I don't know what... Right, I'll move over a bit. Come on, get your neck in the middle. There we go. Now. Oh dear, this is too much fun. Put a bit of this glue on, I suppose. It'll stick good enough, I guess. Should do. Just a tiny... Just so you can sort of see that there's wings behind it, you know, like you don't want to... And look, she got arms too. She might need a bit of this hand. No, not today. They're behind her back, okay? Arms are behind her back. Is that alright? Yeah, I'll take this up a tiny bit here. And I might be able to use the arms in front. I hope I'm not cutting off that butterfly. I might put one. Maybe they should go behind her back. Because they're not going to fit up your knees, it will. And you just split it. So yeah, just cut up there. I hope you can see what I'm doing. If you're still there. Oh dear. I do like this. This has gone really well. I'm very pleased with this one now. I really like it. How it turned out. Isn't that cool? I really like how she turned out. Now, this bit's got to go up in under the arms a bit, like so. So she's got, it looks like she was made to be like that, doesn't it? Poor little sugar. Okay, there's that bit. Stick these butterfly wings down. And all these other bits and pieces, stick them all down. Oh, I hope she fits on one of my pages, because I do like that. Didn't she turn out cool? She needs to have some, don't stick it to the thing. She needs to have some hair thing, a hair thing. Let me see, what do we got for hair? We'll give her a hair thing and then we best go. But look at this, I really want to put this one in here too, this lady. I know she's not a paper, but it doesn't matter, they're not paper dolls, it's my doll book. I can call it whatever, can't I? Because I made just, you know. And I've got to go now because my battery's flat. And I better talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye.